Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you honest, in-depth reviews on the products that matter most. Today, we're checking out the Kenmore DU4080 Featherlite Lift-Up Bagless Upright Vacuum. This model promises power and versatility in a lightweight design, perfect for those who need a full-sized vacuum without the heavy lifting. But how does it stack up in real-world performance? Let's find out. At just under 12 pounds, the Kenmore DU4080 isn't just lightweight, it's designed to go anywhere with ease. With 850 watts of suction power, this upright vacuum makes quick work of dirt, dust, and debris across various floor types. But the real standout feature here is the lift-up technology. This allows you to detach the vacuum's pod, transforming it into a lightweight handheld cleaner for cleaning stairs, upholstery, and other above-floor surfaces. It's a practical solution for homes that require versatility without extra weight. Now, when we talk about filtration, the Kenmore DU4080 doesn't cut corners. Equipped with a completely sealed air path and a HEPA filtration system, this vacuum captures 99.97% of dust and allergens down to 0.3 microns. Whether you're dealing with seasonal allergens or pet dander, this vacuum ensures that the air you breathe remains as clean as your floors. Speaking of clean floors, it does a solid job across multiple surfaces. Whether it's carpet, rugs, or hard floors, the vacuum's two-motor system delivers powerful, deep cleaning performance. It's ideal for tackling embedded dirt and even fine dust that tends to settle on hard floors. The 9-foot hose extends your reach, making it easy to clean high areas, tight corners, or other hard-to-access spots that might otherwise be left out. Plus, the swivel steering and LED headlights help you navigate furniture and corners, ensuring that no dirt goes unnoticed. With its range of included tools, including an upholstery tool and a 3-in-1 combination tool, the Kenmore DU4080 offers flexibility for all kinds of cleaning tasks. The crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery tool make it easy to switch between cleaning surfaces, whether it's the couch cushions or the nooks of your car's interior. In practice, this vacuum is a breeze to assemble and get going. The pod lifts off without much effort, and the hose is long enough to clean stairs or high shelves without straining. On carpets, the two-motor system does a great job at picking up both large debris and fine dust. On hard floors, it picks up dirt with minimal effort, although you may need to use the upholstery tool for especially tight spots. Where this vacuum stands out is in its versatility and maneuverability. It can easily transition between floor types, and the ability to detach the pod makes cleaning stairs or upholstery easier than ever. However, there are a few things worth considering. While the suction is solid, it can struggle with larger debris on thicker carpets, requiring a second pass. Also, while the 9-foot hose is great for some areas, taller staircases might still be a bit challenging. Lastly, though the vacuum's lightweight design is a bonus for most, it might not be as durable over time compared to heavier models. If you're wondering whether the Kenmore DU4080 is good value for money, let's break it down. It's certainly on the affordable side for a vacuum with such a versatile toolset and HEPA filtration. Compared to similar uprights or bagless models in this price range, it holds its own. You'll often find vacuums with similar features, like the Bissell CleanView or Shark Navigator, but the Kenmore's two-motor system and lift-up feature make it unique. It's well-suited for smaller homes or apartments, particularly if you're after a lightweight model that can handle a variety of tasks. However, if you're in the market for a vacuum primarily for deep carpet cleaning, you might find more powerful options elsewhere. When it comes to durability, the materials are sturdy but not exceptional. The build quality feels solid for the price, but it's not designed to withstand the heavy-duty use that some high-end models can handle. Maintenance is relatively straightforward. Emptying the bin and cleaning the filters are quick tasks. Just be mindful of the hose, which can sometimes clog with pet hair if not cleaned regularly. In terms of customer service, Kenmore's reputation is generally positive, with helpful support for warranty claims and maintenance. If any issues arise with your vacuum, you're likely to find prompt assistance from the brand. However, keep in mind that this vacuum doesn't feature any advanced smart features or updates, as it's focused on delivering practical, no-frills cleaning power. So who is the Kenmore DU4080 best suited for? It's a great choice for anyone who needs a versatile, lightweight vacuum that can handle multiple floor types without breaking the bank. It's especially useful for homes with stairs, pet owners who need to tackle hair on various surfaces, and those who struggle with heavier, more cumbersome models. While it doesn't have the deep cleaning power of high-end models for thick carpets, it's an excellent pick for people with mostly hard floors, light carpeting, or those who need something easy to maneuver for quick cleanups. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in the Kenmore DU4080, check the comments box for more details. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you already own this vacuum? Drop your experiences below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. Until next time, keep your floors spotless, and we'll see you on the next episode of Reviews Inside TV.